It's Daphne, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I will be doing a basic Canva tutorial on the free version. They also have a paid version as well, where they offer more elements and designs and things like that. This is also a tutorial on the app and not the web version, but the app and the web version are basically the same. Everything that I'm doing in here, doing on this app, you can do on the web version. It's just that certain things might be in different areas on the web version than it is on the app. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that like and subscribe button for me. And if you're a return subscriber, I appreciate you being here. Let's go and get into the video. I'm clicking on the Canva icon, which I got the Canva app icon, you know what I mean, from the Google Play Store. And the first thing we're gonna do is create a design, but I'm gonna show you not just how to create a design, but I'm just show you some other stuff in this beginning, because we're not gonna go right into creating a design. But you click on create a design and it has some pre-made designs that you can choose from. And that's what I'm scrolling through to show you all the different templates, that's the word I was thinking of, that Canva has. And then you can search for certain templates, like I put in Facebook just in, it shows you all the Facebook templates. Putting in Instagram, you can show you all the Instagram templates. Same thing goes for Twitter, Pinterest. I mean, pretty much any social media platform that's out there, they got a template for it. But you can also do a custom size, which is what I'm showing you now. And you can do them in pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Whatever you're going to do it in, whatever measurements, make sure you choose the measurements first before you put in the number. So like if you're going to do inches, click on inches first, and then go in and put in your width and your height. If you're going to do pixels, click on pixels first, and then go put in your pixels, width and height. I put in standard 8.5 by 11, and that's what I'm going to use for this tutorial. And once you do, they bring up their own templates that you can use. They have free templates as well as paid templates that you can purchase. If you have the paid version, then those will be free too. I'm choosing this template just so for the purpose of this tutorial, just to show you how the different settings work. And right now I'm going to show you how to work with grouping and ungrouping. And I went and clicked on them 3 little dots and I ungrouped it because they had all those text boxes grouped together. Now I'm going to show you how you can group them. You click on it, select multiple, then you go back to those 3 little dots and you click group. Like I said, it's going to be a little different from the web version. You'll do it the same way, but where you find it at on the web version will be a little different. I'm going to ungroup these because I want to show different things you can do with different areas. So here I'm just showing you where you can change your font. And I mean, you can search whatever font type you want up there. I have the ones that I pretty much use on a daily basis, and I was just showing you how you can change it. Now I'm showing you how you can change your font size to a specific size right here. You can also drag the handles and change the font size as well, but if you want a specific size, because I'm very particular, I don't like them points like 93.3, 93.3. Yeah, I rather for it be just like an even 93. And here is where you can change your font color to whatever color you want it to be. You can even, they even have a color palette where if one of the colors up there ain't right, then you can change it to. And I'm just showing you, you know, the basic stuff: bold, italics, how you can center it, left align, right align, or equal space. You know, and then you have the spacing of the letters. You can make a bulleted list. And then this is the effect of your text. You can change the effects. And it's like, I believe they have like 6 different effects that you can choose from. Not for sure. Maybe 9. Yeah, I think it's 9 different effects. And I'm just going through. And if you look over on the right hand side, you can see how it changed with each effect. A lot of people likes to use the glow effect right there. I do too sometimes. And with that background effect, you can go in and change the background color behind the text or whatnot. But yeah, I'm just showing you the different effects. And then you can also, under effects, you can change the shape. Yeah, I knew that was coming up. Of the text. It's raining here, so y'all might hear that rain in the background. I always say this in my videos. I'm not professional, so you will hear all the unprofessionalism in the background of my videos. And it's raining, so you may hear the rain. And you can, I'm sizing the handlebars. That's what I was speaking of earlier. You can move your text around. That's what I'm showing here, that you can move your text around. And you can align it. You can align it to the back or bring it to the front. Align it to the left, align it to the right. And like if you got multiple text boxes and you want them to be equally spaced, I think I'm going to show that later on. I'm not for sure. You can click on each one of the box and then go to the align and like align them vertically, align them horizontally, so that the space be equal all out. You can animate your text. That's what I'm going here to show you now. You can animate it. Yeah, typewriter. I don't know if I'm gonna go through all of them, but probably so. They can pan, they can shift. These are the free animations, but there's also paid animations that you can use as well. So it might be beneficial to upgrade to the paid version of Canva, depending on how you do designs. And these are different elements over here to the right. And I'm showing you how you can lock an element. You might have to rewind it because I was talking, but you can lock it in place so that it won't move around the canvas while you're working with it. And I think I just unlocked it. Yeah, and I went there and show you how to unlock it. And I think I put it in the back, just showing you how, the positions, like the left, the right, the center, middle. I'm gonna try to put it back where it was as close as I can. And this is the transparency. People usually use this for watermarks when they're trying to put watermarks on their design, but the transparency, changes the depthness, if that's a word, you know what I'm talking about, of the color. You can link something, a page, a web page. You can link another page within your doc. If this was a PDF file, you can link another PDF page up here as well. I know it's going a little fast. Y'all might have to rewind it and see where I clicked on that link, but that's what you can do. Next, I'm going to show you how you can copy text format from one text box to another. And you just click on that little roller thing right there. And whatever text you want to copy, you click on that text box and you click that little roller thing, and then you click on the next text box. And it will copy the formatting of that text. And here I'm showing you how to duplicate a text box if you want to just duplicate a text box. Over there I'm showing you how to duplicate the element. It is going a little fast, I realize, yeah. And you can rewind and see how I duplicated that element. And I'm showing that you can animate your elements as well, just like we animated text. You can animate your elements, and they have free animations in the free versions, and they also have paid animations. Apparently I didn't show you how to animate it for some reason. It didn't seem like I did. But here I'm just changing the text element. Nope, I'm cropping. Showing you how you can crop it. Something, I don't know what happened. I went from animation to cropping to I might have to rewind that because it looked like it jumped ahead of me too. But I think I show you how to animate the element, and then I show you how to crop it and how to reposition it. I do believe that's what I did. Okay, I'm deleting everything off this page because now I'm going to show you over here on the left hand side. We're going to go through the templates, the elements, all that you see over there. We're about to go through that right now. And I want to work with a blank slate, so I'm just going to delete all the elements I can show you. First thing we're going to do is the templates, and we already seen that templates that they offered. Then we'll go to the element. Elements is where if you want to do your own design in Canva, this is where all your designs is going to come from. All your design elements that you're going to put together to create your own design. I'm not really going to create a design here. I'm just going to pick a couple of elements to basically show you how you can create a design. So like, I'm going to choose a square. I'm going to choose a circle. Change the color of the square. Change the color of the circle. Put them together. Size that circle. And group them. And you pretty much get the basic idea. That's how you can create your own design. I'm selecting them. I'm grouping them. See, now they're grouped. They can move together. You can resize them and all that. What am I doing now? I'm choosing the line. I guess I'm still trying. Yeah, you can choose the beginning and how you want your line to end, and it can be part of your design. I'm just doing something, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. This is not gonna be no recognize. Oh, here I'm just showing you can animate your elements too, which I think I showed that earlier. I don't know. I'm repeating myself. Now where are we? Oh, I'm showing you where you can search for elements. Animated elements. I search for trees. You can search for anything you want. Trees, hearts, the sky, clouds, people. I mean, just anything. You go there and search for anything, and all the free elements will come up as well as the paid elements. And that's what I'm showing here. Oh, I did search hearts. Huh. And you can resize them. And you can do the same thing that you do with everything else. Change the transparency. You can change the color. You can crop them. You can duplicate them. You can do all that. And I think I'm just extra here. Oh, I went through the little top where with elements, photos, graphics, videos, audio. I was wondering where I went. Gallery. This is where you go for it goes to your phone or tablet, whatever you're using. It brings up your images that's located there. Uploads are what you uploaded from your phone or tablet or whatever you're using. And you just click upload. Go to your gallery. Pick out whatever picture you want to upload. And it'll upload to the uploads tab, and you can use it in whatever you want to use it. You can upload audio as well. You can upload videos as well. Now we're over here in the text elements. And this is a heading text, just showing you how it looks. You don't have to keep it that way. You can go out there and change the font if you want to, which is what I'm showing you. Change the font size. You can change the font color. You can put an effect on it. You make it bold, underline, italics. You can put an effect on it. You can animate it. You can do all of that to that. This is what the subheading looks like. You can do the same thing with it. Change the font size, font color, animate it, add a element to it. That ring is making me so sleepy. I know y'all hear it. And this is where you just add a little bit of text. This is probably like your paragraph text right here. But you can do the same thing. Change the font size, font color, animate it if you want to. You can do all that good stuff with that text. And then they have some pre-made fonts in here that you can use as well. I chose that sparkle over there. And you can resize it, make it as big as you want. Go in there and change the color if you want to. You can actually go change the effect on this if you want to. Some of these are free and some of them are paid. You will know the paid, it would say pro next to it if it's a paid element. And now I just showing you how you can add a page, which I clicked on add a page, or you can go up there and add a page, or you can duplicate the page. Whatever page you want, you can duplicate it and it'll give you the exact same page you're working with. But I just add a page because I want to show you where you can go do backgrounds. Basic background colors up there, then there's background designs. And the ones that are, see, this got Canva on it. It's got the watermark. That's a paid one. You will have to pay for it. But they got free ones as well. Like this one is free. And after you choose a background, guess what? You can change it as well. You can go to the filters, change whatever, the filters help give it a different color or however you want to make it look. You can change the transparency on that background. You can crop it, you can flip it. I was trying to do something here and it didn't work out. So yeah, ignore that part. And then you can delete the page from up there in the corner, which is what I just did. I deleted the page. Or you can delete it. There's a trash can that would be on the right hand side where if you want to delete the page as well, you can delete it up there. I am adding one of my uploads. This is something that's, I do journals, PDF, digital journals. And I was just showing you how you can put in one of your own uploads and you can change the effect of your upload right here. I add a shadow, different shadow effects. You can click apply down there. You got that. And they have mock-ups. Say you want to make it look like it's on a computer or on a chalkboard. This is what I'm showing you now. I don't really use the mock-ups because it don't look right. But you can if you want to. You can add frame to it. You can add a border to it. You can do all that. And that's under the effects tab, which will come up once you select your upload or design or whatever you have on your whatever design you upload to your Canva project. And this is just where the folders, I think that's the paid version. I don't have any folders. I think you have to pay for it. And here I'm showing you how to rename it. You might have to rewind because I was talking, but you rewind it and I'm just showing you where you rename your so when you download it, it's going to download as whatever name you named it. I'm showing you where you can add grid lines, the margins, if you want to see your margins. The ruler, I think I already showed the margins. You had to rewind. I think I really did. I did. Or rulers if you want to be very precise. And then they have these little purple lines that come up to help you know if it's centered or if it's in the middle or if you're going 1 inch away from the border. And I went over to the page sorter at the bottom of the screen. Might have to rewind and see. Those right there show you how you can add page, duplicate a page, and delete a page. And I just I just duplicated that page so you can see how to duplicate. I can't talk. And then you can rearrange your pages in the page sorter as well. And you just click on it to click out of it. And you're right back to where you started. And this is just basically how it looks. It ain't nothing special because this is a tutorial. I'm just showing you how to work in Canva. This is where you go to download your file. And you click on save as to choose what you want to save it as. And you can save it as a PNG, a JPEG, PDF file, MP4, GIF. The SVG is part of the paid version, so you have to pay if you want to use the paid version for the SVG. And you can download all the pages, or you can download a certain range of pages. And it downloads and it gives you the option. This is the app, not the web version. The app gives you the options to share it right away to to wherever you want to share it if you want to share it. And that's basically it. And I'm just show you how it looked once you download it. I'm going into Samson Notes. I guess you can upload it in any note file that you're working with. Went to my Canva folder under my files. That's where I down, and that's what it looks like in Samson Notes. Y'all might hear it going, it went fast. It did. My cousin told me I'd be going too fast on the videos. But anyway, we have made it to the end. If you stuck with me this far, I appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.